today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use the ChatGPT plugin inside Figma, making your design process more efficient and enjoyable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to leverage AI-powered assistance for faster brainstorming, instant copywriting help, and overcoming creative blocks, all without leaving your design space. So let's dive right in. To start, open Figma in your web browser or via the desktop app. It doesn't matter which you choose, just go with whichever you find most convenient. Once you've got Figma up and running and you're signed into your preferred account, you'll want to direct your attention to the dashboard. Here you'll notice a top menu where you need to click on Actions. Think of this as your main command center within Figma, where you can explore a variety of features and shortcuts designed to enhance your workflow. The next step is to navigate to the Plugins and Widgets section found within the Actions menu. This is essentially Figma's App Store, where you're able to extend its functionalities with third-party tools. Imagine it like adding new features to your toolkit, enriching your design process significantly. With the Plugins and Widgets window open, take advantage of the search bar up top and type in ChatGPT. It's crucial to be specific here to ensure you locate the correct plugin without any hassle. Once the search results appear, keep an eye out for the Simple ChatGPT plugin. This is the one that will seamlessly integrate ChatGPT's AI capabilities directly into your Figma workspace. By utilizing this plugin, you have the opportunity to brainstorm ideas, get copy suggestions, or generate creative prompts directly on your design canvas. Select the plugin by clicking on it. If it's your first time installing, you might need to confirm the installation by following some on-screen instructions. Nothing too complicated, I assure you. After concluding the installation, go ahead and click on Run or Open to launch the plugin. A panel is expected to open within your Figma project, offering a new range of possibilities for your design work. On occasion, it might open in a separate panel or even behind another window. So if you don't see it immediately, just check your workspace layout. It's important to note that leveraging ChatGPT within Figma typically comes with a subscription requirement. Depending on the provider, this could involve signing up for a paid plan. It's a common aspect of using AI-powered tools, helping ensure the plugin is well maintained. However, some plugins do offer free trials or demos, giving you an opportunity to explore their features before making a commitment. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to collaborate with AI directly in Figma, enhancing your design tasks with the power of artificial intelligence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comment section. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful design guides. Thanks for watching and happy designing.